Hi, I'm Dr. Alain from Oriflame Cosmetics, and this is NovAge Ultimate Lift, one of our best-selling NovAge ranges, designed to lift and firm the skin for more defined facial contours. As we get older, our skin gradually makes less of the fibers that keep it firm and elastic, collagen and elastin. And as our collagen and elastin level decline, our skin starts to lose its structure. The first sign is usually the appearance of lines and wrinkles, and then the skin starts to lose its elasticity, it starts to droop or sag. And what we know from talking to our customers is that this is actually a critical moment in skin aging. Because at this point the face actually starts to change shape, you might stop recognizing your reflection in the mirror. The way you look might not match the way you feel inside. This insight was really a defining moment for me. I made it my mission that every woman should be able to look in the mirror and feel completely at one with her reflection. We needed to find a way to switch back on the skin's natural collagen and elastin production. And retinol was our inspiration, our benchmark. And it took us 7 years, but we did it. We created the perfect technology, Aspartolift. It's Oriflame's own exclusive patented active ingredient, and it's every bit as powerful as retinol, but without typical side effects like redness or irritation. Aspartolift rejuvenates the skin's own collagen and elastin production mechanism to make it firmer and more elastic, with more defined facial contours, and that's clinically proven. So, if you've noticed these changes in your skin, in the shape of your face, and you want to regain some definition and feel at one with your reflection, make this your defining moment with NovAge Ultimate Lift.